Stop studying English randomly. Every year, thousands of students lose 10 to 15 marks in English, not because they don't know answers, but because they don't know how to write them. And if your English exam is coming and you have gap days left with you, this video can literally change your score. Now, English is the only subject in class 12th where scoring 95 plus is easier, but only if you understand the paper pattern. I analyzed previous year CBSE papers and marking trends, and today I am giving you a step by step blueprint to score a perfect 100 in your English CBSE boards. First of all, understand the paper like a scientist. Understand one thing clearly, CBSE papers are pattern based. The English paper has three major scoring zones. Number one is reading section, which gives you 20 marks, and this section is skill based. Most students waste time here in gap days. In gap days, you have to attempt this section last in practice. Train yourself to read the questions first, underline the keywords in the passage, and never write full paragraph answers if not required. Number two is writing section, the real game changer. This section will also give you 20 marks. So listen carefully. This is where 100 scorers are made. Marks are divided into format, content, and expression. If format is wrong, you lose direct marks. Gap days plan, memorize exact format of notice, letter to editor, article, report. Don't memorize essays, memorize structure. Use this four-step answer formula. Introduction, which will be of only 2 lines or 3 lines. Problem or explanation, 2 paragraphs. Solution, 1 para. Conclusion, 1 powerful closing line. Keep sentences simple, no complicated vocabulary needed. Clarity will beat decoration. Number three, literature, which is of 40 marks. It is high scoring if you play smart. Students make the biggest mistake here. They try to mug up full answers from guides. Wrong approach. Instead, do this during gap days. Step 1. Make theme notes for every chapter. Theme is very important. Step number 2. Write 5 to 6 keywords per chapter. Step number 3. Prepare 3 universal introduction. For example, the chapter highlights the theme of human resilience and social reality. You can use similar intros everywhere. Now let's talk about the most underrated part, and that's copy presentation secrets. I'm revealing something that most YouTubers don't tell. Examiners check 60 to 80 copies per day. They reward clear spacing, proper paragraph, underlined keywords, and clean handwriting. So during gap days, practice writing answers in clean format. Leave 1 line after every answer, and if needed, leave 2 to 3 lines. Do not overwrite. Presentation alone can increase your marks. This is the most important section, the 3 mistakes that will kill your 100. Remember this. Number 1, writing irrelevant content. Number 2, exceeding your word limit. Number 3, ignoring question directive words. For example, explain, discuss, justify. Read the question properly. Always answer what is asked, not what you know. Now we have come to the last part of the video, that is advanced strategy for 95 plus students. If you're already scoring 90 plus, do this extra. Use one quotation in long answers. Use words such as furthermore, moreover, however. Keep tone formal. Avoid slang or casual language. And most important, attempt paper in this order. First, writing section, second, literature, and then reading. Why? Because writing needs fresh mind. Now, I want to add a memory trick for literature. Instead of memorizing long answers, you can use a method called TAP, where T stands for theme, A stands for author's message, and P stands for personal interpretation. This will help you in exam. And if you want more videos like this, where we break down board exams scientifically, consider subscribing. For now, all the best for your board exam.